Good afternoon, everybody. We're back for a quick one. Ooh, brass headboard. Yeah, just walking around here today in the yard, and it's been raining. It rained for, oh my goodness, 5 days straight. So we haven't been able to do a bloody thing. It started raining on Tuesday and it stopped Saturday afternoon. That's at least 5 days. So it started yesterday afternoon, but it remained dark and miserable. Oh, I see what you did. You took that off the vehicle, didn't you? That's bad. So I got some work to do with this because it's... Oh my goodness. Oh well. That's what happens. You have a scrap hound. Yeah, you. No, you ain't gonna get the bottles, bags of bottles. You love ripping them open. So, we're out in the yard today. Here's a new scrapmobile. Oh my goodness, it's warm out today. I said in one of my early videos, temperature changes, fall and spring, make me cough like crazy. So we're just going to go around the yard today and pick up bottles and cans, bags. I'm getting them all sorted. They're all in one spot here for this big haul here this week. That one's gonna be rebagged. I'd say that's gonna fill the van anyway. Oh my goodness. A young fellow was down here the other day and literally broke up this. So we can get this old washer out of here. There's a motor in this thing. And I'll bet that's aluminum. I almost guarantee you that. Boys, he ever make a mess down here? So I gotta clean all that up for him. Are there any bags of bottles back here? Now, yep. Here's bag of cans there I gotta get. Oh, there's another bag buried. There we go. Those ones there have to be plagued. Oh, good heavens. The neighbors aren't home, their duckies are all in. It's Easter Sunday here today when I'm recording this. Huh. So we got to get some totes picked up, cleaned out. You should call this this video Coughaholic Anonymous. Whew. So take all that brush when we get the truck up here and move it over there and burn it, and burn a big fire pit there. Gotta get the saws going, get those cleaned up here next this week. And get all the balls and cans picked up here today. They blew all through the yard, one way down there in the woods. Yeah, you got off the chain there one day. Yeah, talk about you again. Yeah, you don't feel one bit bad, do you? So collect all the balls and cans, get them back into a bag here, because tomorrow's a holiday here, Monday, for a lot of places. Not sure what the bottle exchange. So the rule of thumb here in New Brunswick is today's Sunday's the actual holiday, not Monday. So anything that's normally open on Sunday, today the holiday, is closed. But they're open Monday tomorrow. But if the business usually closed on Sunday, they're closed on Monday for the holiday. If that makes any sense. So the scrapyard that I haul to is never open on Sunday, so they're closed tomorrow, Monday. Now, check to see if the bottle exchange is open. Like stores that are open on Sunday, they're closed today. Like Princess Auto, Sobeys, all our grocery stores, they're all closed today. tomorrow they're all open. And the only exception to that rule is government buildings and business. They're closed on Monday. So like liquor stores, schools, post office, etc. They'll all be closed tomorrow for the holiday. So it's kind of confusing to get used to it all. And you and me got a bone to pick, boy. I want to get you. Yeah, you. What have you got against my signs? That's the second one you've knocked off a vehicle. What am I going to do about you? What am I going to do about you? Roll over. Yeah, you got me. You don't punch your dad in the face, boy. Yeah, I got a little bit too excited. It gave me a fat lip. Probably, there you go, guys. I guess you got it too. So, we're going to take these totes here and empty them out. We don't know what's in them. Just a bunch of trash now. But oh, scrap metal. All kinds of totes. Now we're putting the totes in the van because that's your bottle collecting rig, a street scrapper, right? Yeah, I'm not gonna get close to you again, buddy. So we clean these out and put them in the van. What? Come here, I know your story. He knows he hurt Dad. It's okay, buddy, it was an accident. Yeah, I know. You're awful caring puppy, aren't you? Yeah. So, thought I'd make a quick video because other than that little short I put up there in the underground parking about the van, the new scrapmobile, haven't been able to do too much. So tomorrow, we got to pick up, well, you know what? That's not as bad as I thought it was. No, stay down. Get down off the van. Okay. He's very bad for that. As you can tell by my scrap sign. I thought I was going to have to get quite the riser for that. But I'm thinking I can take that one and put it on it. Because they are about the same height. Start getting this all cleaned up this week. There's a bag of bottles down there. I got the young guy to go down and do that, get that. The garbage, they start dumping out of the bins. There's totes. I'm gonna put in that garbage can. I didn't take it down. And get down there for garbage this week. Any metal stuff or electronics I can dig out of them. I'll of course put those totes I just cleaned out and take them to shop with me tomorrow to process in there. Those rails there are for the side of the trailer to bring the front 3/4 of the trailer up higher. And this thing I was using for the back of the truck for makeshift headache rack. I'm gonna put that at the front of the trailer because the new rack that we're putting on very soon doesn't need that. There's our 2 side rails for it. There's our side rails and that, and a contractor's rack. So we'll put the contractor's rack back on this week and go from there. So Sproul's coming out to walk around. Like myself, he's been avoiding the weather. Just take a quick look around. Oh yeah, here's one here we can use for garbage too. Yep, there's garbage in it already. Great. We'll have to rebag all that garbage. Didn't know it was in there. Start cleaning all this up here soon. Probably the next few days, but we're mostly concentrating on getting money up. Because of course, first part of the month, all the bills were due, which leaves you strapped for cash. This works. I just gotta rewind this here, or put a new one on it, because it won't rewind, so it won't go back in again, and that works. Well, it did before the winter, so we'll see if we get that going again, because that we can take with us on the trailer to run our power tools on that big job we got coming up out back. Spoiler alert, I have no mobile home up back on other family land, but that land belongs to my brother and sister now, and this house and acre here belongs to me, so I have to go up back and scrap a mobile home. So that'll be upcoming video series for the summer. We're going to scrap the whole mobile home down for the wood and wiring, etc., fuse boxes. We're going to use the wood, reclaimed wood, to build the chicken coop and maybe a greenhouse and stuff. So that's the upcoming projects. So we're going to totally tear down that trailer, mobile home, and try to reuse or recycle everything in it. So that's going to be a big video. It's going to be a summer-long project. We're going to get started out of here probably next week or two before the hornets and bumblebees start building their nests and hives, so they don't build in it. So that's be an upcoming series you might be interested in. I don't think too many YouTubers have showed the total dismantling of mobile home and recycling it, repurposing. So that's going to be an interesting video, I think, maybe, possibly. If you think it is, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for upcoming notifications. I imagine the next couple of weeks I'll be up there, at least a short or a small startup video for the series. So till then, we'll be at the shop tomorrow, and we'll have some good video, maybe a breakdown video of something that we got in there. And now we got the street vehicle all set up, and the winter's over. The weather's starting to look a bit better. It's warmer out, not frozen. We'll start doing some street scrapping and dumpster diving videos in the next week or so. So finally, we're all set to do what this channel's supposed to be doing. Everything. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay safe, stay warm. Enjoy the sunshine if it's where you're at. If not, enjoy it when you get it, because I hate the rain and snow and all that wonderful stuff. So, all right, everybody. Have a good holiday weekend. And God bless you all.